checked in for the Droid Depot. So we found something out. You do not have to have a reservation for each individual person. When you book that reservation, if you book it for 2 people like we did, both people can build. However, you do have to pay separately for both droids. But we have 2 people, we only want to pay for 1 droid. So Josh is going to be my observer and I am going to build the droid. They also have backpacks available for purchase to put your droid in once it is complete. That is a separate price. I believe they're $50. But I'm really excited to get started. I have no idea what kind of droid I'm gonna build yet. Okay, so I got my bag, and now like I said, this is an additional purchase. Yep. But we're gonna go over here to the belt and get started.
Number 9 or 8 for you guys, whatever's comfortable.
Let's do 8. Is it all this?
Is that 1 piece?
Okay, this is the ball. And do I need like this, like an engine? Yeah, like this right there.
Yeah. So right now Taylor is trying to figure out what she is going to get, and she's doing a BB unit, and it's slightly overwhelming, I think, because you have to try and find all of the pieces in this whole thing. So it's kind of crazy, but it's really kind of fun.
So you want orange raglan? I also need one of the little... I don't know, that might look funny. Is this the little thing I need in it?
I think so.
I'm gonna double check my basket real quick and make sure I have all the pieces that I actually need. So in the bottom of your basket, when you decide which type of unit you want, it'll show you what pieces that you have to build your BB-8. You basically need your main ball piece, you need your engine, you need, or like basically the part that makes it move, you need the part that makes the head move, and then you actually need the top piece on the top.
Are you sure? You can check your antennas. You're good. All right, okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Number 13, all the way across.
I got all the pieces, so we are gonna go clear to the other side to station 13 and finish her off.
Get this part out of your way. Blueprints are right here to assist you with your build. If you have any questions, refer to that. Screwdriver does come down for this. And any questions that is not answered by the blueprint, this button right here will let us know if you need assistance or you are done with your build today. Okay. Pieces, you are all set. Enjoy.
Okay. So here's the screwdriver if you need it. It's attached, but it's to help put everything together, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna start putting it together. All right, I need this. These? Right here.
You are correct.
Thank you.
We have silver too, or black if you'd like that.
Oh yeah, black.
Black?
Yeah. All right. 1, 2. All right, so I put it in here.
That button closed, you're gonna hit it. Ready? You want to match up your arrows?
Oh, there's arrows.
So the top one's
I see
gonna
it.
go a little bit to the left, and then you'll turn and click it.
Take the antennas out.
Oh.
Oh, I see. I think. Alright, I'm struggling with this part.
That's okay. So what you want to do
Okay.
is you're going to turn it until it's almost in. Takes a second, like that.
Okay.
Then you use this to screw it in.
Okay. How do I know it's in?
Yeah, that's
Let's test. Okay. Oh, it's magnet. Oh.
You ready to activate?
Are we ready?
I guess.
Yeah. Oh, it's got like a whole thing right here.
I even like
Hello! So these are gonna make him roll. He's very fast. This will make him talk. This makes him spin. So do these ones make. These ones also make him spin.
Okay.
Now very quickly, your droid has sleep mode.
Okay.
So when he's on and you're not playing with him for like 10 minutes, he'll go to sleep.
Okay.
Open him up, turn him off, turn him back on.
Okay.
He'll wake back up. Okay, go ahead and try him out.
I'm scared for it to run off. Okay. So what your arms are there for. It's speedy.
Very.
Okay, I see. So it's opposite, basically.
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
And you do want to leave him on in the land because he will interact with other droids.
Whoa, that's cool.
That's awesome.
Where his remote goes, right in this one.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh my gosh! We did it! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we got the backpack. I thought about just taking the box, but
Alright, so now
I needed this. After you build a droid, you can actually come over here and pick a personality trip if you would like. This is additional, it's about $12 each. And there's a couple different ones you can pick from. There's a few from the First Order, there's a few from the Resistance, and then there's also a few that are like scoundrels. So it changes like the personality and the sounds that your droid has and makes. So they have all of the different ones. You can actually test them out right here and then pick which one you want. So I think I might go with the scoundrel, like Han Solo, like this one. So we've pretty much finished up here in the Droid Depot. Now something they did tell us when they activated my BB unit is that he can interact with other droids here on Batuu. Ah!
he's moving.
He's talking, I can hear him.
That's awesome.
It's really cool though. So they said to keep it on while you are here on Batuu, so that in Black Spire Outpost, so that you can have your droid interacting with other droids. So it's pretty cool. Yes. I was not super excited about the whole droid thing whenever they kind of announced it for Disneyland's Galaxy's Edge, but once I saw people making them, I was like, we have to have one of those. All the droids over here are talking right now. It's pretty cool. So let us know if you plan on coming to Batuu into Black Spire Outpost and building your own droid at the Droid Depot.